Today we're going to be talking about the Russian Revolution. So first you need to go into your warm-up and you take attendance within the first 5 minutes of class. And I would highly suggest that you use your notes from the previous activity to answer the questions. Then you're going to go into 4.8, Causes of the Russian Revolution. You're going to open the activity. And notice that I have video explanations for each individual section. They're optional if you would like to use them. So you can click on each link here, which will take you to a YouTube video going over each of the sections. There's 1 or 2 questions after each section. And again, there's a video link to help explain each of the sections. There are 6 reasons or causes of the Russian Revolution, and then at the end there are some 4 multiple choice questions for you to complete. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.